Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect Oracle database 12c which is running in my local machine with Node.js 16 long-term support version. So here you can see that I already installed Node.js 16 long-term support version and it is already available in the Windows path. Okay. Now let me go to directory called JS program. So this is oracle 12c.js file. So let me open with Notepad++. So this is the logic to connect Oracle database 12c which is running in my local machine. So it requires package called oracledb. So we need to install the Node.js package called oracledb. So I am connecting as a common user called c#scott, and this program contains one connection string, that is database URL. And using the database URL, we are going to select one table and fetch all the records. That's it. So it's a very simple logic only. Okay, so we need to download the oracledb package, Node.js package. Okay, so I am checking the version. So it's already available in the path. So now I am installing the oracledb package, npm install oracledb. So you need to download this package where your JS programs is available. So you can see that this is the oracledb package structure. So oracledb 5.5.0. So this is the current release. Okay. So you can navigate the oracledb package when you get time. So now let me show the Oracle database 12c. So this is the Oracle database 12c running in my local machine, local Windows 10 operating system is running. So I can able to select some record in percent tables. Now I am going to run the Oracle 12c.js program. Yes, so I can able to connect to the Oracle database 12c. You can see that I can able to fetch the records. So Oracle database 12c connectivity with the Node.js 16 long-term support version is successful.